Well, hey y'all, thanks for stopping by. This week we're back in the shop working on the miter station. Now once again, I got a lot of time-lapse video for you. So you just want to skip to the end and see me talk about the carcass, feel free to jump to this time. Oh, where'd that time go? Oh, there it is. Get over here. All right, y'all, well, let's get into it.
Have you seen the eyes of pain? Have you heard the cry of pain? Have you felt the aching hunger and tears falling like rain? Can we find hope for tomorrow? Can we find a helping hand that can ease the pain and sorrow for every woman, every man?
So the carcass is in place, as you can tell. I've got it level going this way, nice and flat as well, between these two pieces. It's not quite level here, there's a slight drip going this way, but I'll end up fixing that when I kind of screw it down. So I'm definitely a fan of doing the cutout method here for a couple of reasons. One, definitely adds a lot of strength laterally as the wood's locked into place. But second, I don't have that many right angle clamps. So I do it this way, that way we really know that it is locked into place once they slide in. It does take a little more time. You don't have to have a dado bit, but definitely makes it quicker. And also you got to cut out these little corners. But again, I think it's worth it in the end. Rather than having to do, one section at a time, I can knock it all out like you guys saw. I also have these two spacers here, about a ½ inch wider than my miter saw, just to make sure these two cabinets are in place with each other and nice and parallel. So up next in the project, we'll be building the lattice work for here, along with the countertops. And then we'll probably actually trim it up as well, hopefully in that video. Maybe the third video will just be building the actual stand for the miter saw. It's going to have dust collection. Not vacuum, but just gravity-fed dust collection. And then probably the fourth video is probably going to be the drawers. All right, y'all. Well, thanks for stopping by. Feel free to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you think about it. And definitely come on back.